Hello everyone, this is Chloe from Yinda Machinery. Today I will introduce our YDGS-600 Hammer Mill that we are currently manufacturing. Here is the overall appearance of our hammer mill. Let me show you the conventional type YDGS-600. Compared to the previous standard YDGS-600 model, you can clearly see that the placement of the equipment is different. The length of the machine has been reduced, while the height has been increased. Why is that? Because at Yinda Machinery, we can customize the design according to the customer's needs. When a available floor space is limited, we can increase the machine's height and reduce its length. Take this unit. For example, we position the blower above the dust collector to minimize machine footprint, thus better meeting the customer's requirements. Now let's take a look at the breathing chamber of our hammer mill. To better satisfy the customer's breathing needs, we have upgraded the equipment by increasing the number of blades and using first-grade silicone for sealing. This is the YDGS-600 Hammer Mill currently in production at Yinda Machinery. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact me. Yinda Machinery is dedicated to serving you wholeheartedly. Thank you. Bye.